Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today we have something special for you. So stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Here is a comprehensive list of important teaching job interview questions, along with model answers to help you prepare confidently. You can adjust the answers to reflect your own experience and teaching style. General question 1. Tell us about yourself.
I am a passionate educator with a strong foundation in physics. I have completed master degree in science from NEHU and have qualified BEd with MTET. I enjoy creating engaging lessons and building a positive learning environment for students. Teaching is not just a profession for me but a calling.
2. Why do you want to become a teacher?
I believe education is the foundation of a better society. I want to be a teacher so I can help students grow academically and personally. I enjoy seeing the impact of my work in the lives of children and how they develop over time.
3. What are your strengths and weaknesses?
Strengths, patience, creativity in lesson planning, good communication skills, and the ability to connect with students. Weakness, sometimes I focus too much on perfecting a lesson, but I'm learning to manage time better and be more flexible.
4. Why do you want to work at our school?
I admire your school's emphasis on value, curriculum style, or community involvement. I believe my teaching style and passion for education align well with your school's vision. I'm also looking forward to learning and growing with your experienced team.
Teaching methodology and pedagogy. 5. How do you plan your lessons?
I follow the 5E model: engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. I start with clear learning objectives, include activities to keep students involved, and end with an assessment to measure understanding.
6. How do you manage a classroom?
I set clear rules and expectations from day one. I believe in positive reinforcement and keep students engaged with interactive activities. I also use group work and reward systems to promote cooperation and discipline.
7. What strategies do you use to handle disruptive students?
I stay calm and address the issue privately. I try to understand the root cause of the behavior and involve the student in finding a solution. Consistent discipline and positive behavior reinforcement also help manage disruptions effectively.
8. How do you assess student learning?
I use both formative quizzes, oral questions, classwork, and summative assessments, tests, projects. I also observe students' participation and adjust my teaching based on their progress.
9. How do you cater to students with different learning needs?
I use differentiated instruction, different activities or supports for visual, auditory, and kinesthetic learners. I also provide extra help or modified tasks when needed and collaborate with parents and special educators.
10. Describe a successful lesson you have taught.
In a science class, I taught the water cycle using a role-play activity. Students acted out each stage, which helped them understand the process in a fun and memorable way. They were fully engaged and scored well in the follow-up quiz.
11. How do you use technology in teaching?
I use multimedia presentations, educational videos, and digital quizzes like Kahoot or Google Forms. Technology helps me explain concepts better and makes learning more interactive and interesting. Behavioral and ethical questions.
12. How do you handle criticism or feedback?
I accept feedback positively as it helps me grow professionally. I reflect on the suggestions given and try to implement them to improve my teaching.
13. What would you do if a parent complains about your teaching?
I would listen to the parents' concerns respectfully and try to understand their point of view. Then I would explain my methods and assure them of my commitment to their child's success. Collaboration and open communication are key.
14. How do you motivate students?
I praise their efforts, set achievable goals, and use fun and engaging activities. I also relate lessons to real life, so they understand the value of learning.
15. What would you do if a student refuses to participate in class?
I would first try to understand why the student is not participating. I would gently encourage them, offer support, and include them in activities that suit their interests to build confidence.